Hey Brian, how you doing? Let's go ahead and take a look. I was taking a look at your. I'm so sorry to hear you're having problems with Illustrator. Illustrator, I mean, it's different than Photoshop, but there's a lot of similarities in terms of the location of tools and the function of tools. So the transition to from Photoshop to Illustrator, it can be tough at first, but it'll get so much easier, I promise. I just kind of want to draw your attention over here. I'm just going to open this guy right here, and I'm going to open these announcements. And I just want to draw your attention right to this announcement. It's down at the beginning. I posted it the first couple of weeks of class, but here it is right here. It says tutoring available. And if you take a look at this, you can find the announcements quickly because there's Jack Black from School of Rock, right? And so this is the process to get with student tutoring. And I recommend if you're having trouble with Illustrator, get with them. They'll be able to troubleshoot you quickly and efficiently and really isolate your the point of origin for the issues you're having and resolve those quickly so that you can continue working. So again, that's the tutoring available announcement available in the course announcements. Okay, where are we? Let's go ahead and actually, I wanted to look at your writing. So let's go ahead and here we are. So if I have a Dropbox Illustrator, I've done basic editing. I found a nice photo of Lotus and asking me to run over. Excellent. I used vectors on the company name so that it would make all of my adjustments. I don't understand what this means. I also used vectors on the company name so that I could make all of my adjustments without losing quality. I'm not real sure what you're referring to, so I'm a little confused with that comment. If you could clarify, that would be fantastic. Use more natural look-ins. I was trying to figure that out. I wanted to add some sort of incentive to booking and spa online. Yes, absolutely. We have to add. You have to add a promotion in the ad. It's part of the requirement. Um, the Lotus as the anchors to that promo seemed to make sense. Again, I'm a little confused with this comment because right now you don't have a promo. Book online, use code to receive a free welcome basket. Okay, that's your promo? Okay, so I see what you're saying then. Free welcome basket is your promo. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look. And of course, the obvious thing is there's no background image. Now, what I'm seeing here, and based on what I'm seeing here, you've got the technical proficiency. You've got the masking down. That's beautiful. You've placed the image, and that's great. Um, you've got the logo placed. That's great. And you've assembled some text. The rest is following what you've already done here. Okay, so my recommendation for this is when the logo is really big, typically a logo is going to look great right down there. So my recommendation is this: headline, subhead, body copy, background image, masked image, contact information, logo. And of course, if we go to those course announcements, we'll see that formula working successfully in all of the examples. Background image, headline, subhead, body copy, masked image, contact information, logo. Again, we see it here working beautifully. Image, headline, subhead, paragraph, masked image, promotion, contact information, logo, and here it is again and again. Now there's variants of that formula, but that general formula is going to work beautifully. So that is my recommendation moving forward. We don't have much time to finish this, so I really, really encourage you to wrap up your magazine ad. The reason I say that is because on Monday of this coming week, we'll start work on the banner ad. The banner ad is again, it's a learning curve, so there's a lot to learn, specifically animating the type. So I say that because I think it would be best for you to wrap up this magazine ad, get things complete and ready to roll before we start the banner ad. Now, the whole campaign is due during week 7, and that's coming up quickly, so keep that in mind. Okay, so I would like to see you complete the ad. If you want to repost it here when you're done, I'll be glad to make comments by Sunday. If you don't find yourself completing the ad by Sunday, you can go ahead and email me the ad. I'll be glad to make comments that way, or better yet, just post the ad in the general questions area of the discussion board, and I will see it and I'll critique it there. Okay, sound good? Any questions at all, please let me know quickly so that we can address those. All right, great. Thank you very much.